Now, President Trump says the U.S. blockade of Iranian ports is, quote, incredible. But the stalemate in the Strait of Hormuz continues to shape global energy markets. Well, let's bring in Bloomberg's Charlie Wells with the latest. Charlie, I mean, this is a problem for prices at the pump.
That's exactly right, Francine. These geopolitical tensions are really hitting that oil market. We can see the price of oil is up some 25% over the past 2 weeks. So that is a significant jump as it continues to hold these gains. And again, this has been a market story. It's turning into a corporate story. And now it really is starting to turn into a consumer story as well. So let's flip and look to see where this pain at the pump is hitting across the United States, because you can see divergence here, right? What we had this week is in California, prices at the pump heading north of $6 a gallon for the first time since 2023. So a big jump there. You see divergence across the country, but you see increases. Now, what's really interesting, if you want to think about the consumer and you want to think about politics, look at the states where we see this strong red, where you see these big jumps. Those are typically blue states. These are states that voted for Kamala Harris in the 2024 election. If you look at some of these blue, some of the kind of weaker jumps in gas prices, these are states that voted for Trump. You might start to think that this might not have such negative implications for the midterms that are coming up in just a few months. But let's flip the board and take a look at some analysis coming from Bloomberg Intelligence, talking about how actually it's these red states, these states that voted for Trump, that get hit hardest on a percentage basis. Because when you look at how household expenditure evens out, you see more spending in these states on gasoline at the pump. So again, a hit in those states of as much as 70% there. So again, serious implications for the consumer and also politics as we head towards these midterms.